What's up, everybody? It's Uncle Justin coming to you from Binyan, Laguna in the Philippines, living the dream, enjoying life, going for a little walk today. And while I'm out and about, I just wanted to show you some interesting changes to our neighborhood. Some changes that I think have been positive. And a lot of these changes have actually come from the HOA. So yes, our HOA here in the Philippines, in Binyan, Laguna, has been doing some work to make this a better neighborhood. As you can see up here, all those tree branches and the wires. Well, the other day they actually had a crew come out and trim a lot of these branches, mostly over on this tree. Got them away from the wires, cleared it up. So now when we get a little wind, little storm, hopefully those wires will not be damaged. I know in our house, when the wind gets fierce enough, the power will flicker on and off real quick. You know, and I'm guessing it's just things hitting the electrical wires or messing around somewhere. And of course that happens throughout our neighborhood. And then again, you can see where they have trimmed trees right here next to this little park area. Exposed a lot more of the wires. Over here on the ground is of course the limbs and debris that came down. The truck that was doing the trimming really didn't have like a trailer or shredder. So a lot of the limbs just got left behind. Does that bother me? Not at all. I am happy that they are making an effort to clear a lot of these electrical lines. These signs have also popped up. The HOA letting everybody know that most everybody is delinquent, paying their dues. They even broke it down by zones in the neighborhood as well as overall. Now, something that I have found interesting about the HOAs here. Oh, motorcycle. What I have found interesting is, like, Lonnie and I rent houses. And when you rent a house, you pay your monthly fee, your monthly rent to the homeowner. But that rent does not include the HOA fee. You have to pay that separately. So for some reason, I always thought if you rented a home at an HOA, that the owner would bundle the fee in with the rent. But that is not how it happens here. Here's another one of those signs showing the delinquency rates. Of course, we got this parking lot thing right next to the tricycle stand with this sign. I know bawal means like warning, attention, don't. Magtapang and basura, multi, 1,000. I'm gonna have to translate that one, see what it means. Now that I'm approaching a busier road, I want to show you something that I think is really, really cool that they did. That they're trying anyway to help manage some of the crazy traffic we have through this area. And there is one of them. A little bump in the center of the road with a solar panel, and it lights up green at night. And they've got them rolling all down through the center of the road. Why did they go with green? I don't know. But it does mark the center of the road pretty well. It was kind of funny because when they first put these little center line markers out, there was actually a big controversy and discussion on the neighborhood Facebook thread. Some people were saying that it was dangerous, that kids trying to cross the street would trip over the bump. Some people complain that like they're on their e-bike or motorcycle, that they can feel the bumps. And to me, I like the bumps. I'm really happy that they're trying to show people, hey, this is the center of the road. Traffic flows one way on one side, traffic flows one way on the other side. And it's the bumps are a good reminder when you cross. However, for some of these, especially these e-bikes with the really small wheels, I'm sure it can jar them a little bit. This gentleman selling lemonade right next to another delinquent sign. Let's go see what he's got. I don't know if I've got enough pesos for something to drink. Oh, magkano po?
20, my friend.
20. Oh, I don't have 20. Alright. Salamat. Well, he wanted 20 pesos for that delicious coconut water, and unfortunately I did not bring money with me. I have about 10 pesos on me. That's about it. Wasn't really expecting to buy anything, but I sure would be tasty right now. Hey!
I'm from Mindanao.
Who?
Yeah.
Mindanao?
Yes, sir.
Awesome!
Where did you come from, sir?
I came from Texas.
Texas.
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Hey, nice to meet you. I'm Justin. Lots of friendly people in the neighborhood. Lots of them. Oh, check this trash truck out. Sucker is loaded down. And of course the trash service is a service from the city. And unlike where I'm from, everything here, they do it by hand. And yeah, these guys, they if they find something of value, something recyclable, they do pull it aside, and I think they try to sell it, which honestly I would do the exact same thing. These are some hardworking guys trying to keep everything sanitary, and God bless them. Now, another service that we're getting from the HOA is that they're repainting these speed bumps along this road, and it's all done by hand. As you can tell, well, my phone overheated while I was talking about this guy painting, but as you can see, after a year, all that paint wears off. And so about once a year, the HOA has some guys come out, repaint everything, make it look pretty. What do you think, Mr. Chicken? Do you like the new yellow and black stripes? Oh yeah. Okay, here's something I really find interesting about Filipino neighborhoods is check this out. Right, just down the road a little bit, that's what the guy's doing. The painting, you can see the chicken crossing the street. If anybody knows why the chicken crossed the street, leave a message in the comments. But you spin around in this neighborhood, bam, dental clinic. Dental clinic. Who would have thought? A few more steps down the road and we see some more of our neighborhood wildlife. Dalawang aso. 2 dogs. Even more wildlife. That's a pusa, or a cat. So I'm walking down a road I don't normally walk down. I see this Sari Sari store, and for some reason I like the way it looks. And I love Sari Sari stores in general, just because they're right there in the neighborhood, easy to get to. They've always got a good snack. Well, here's another unexpected member of the wildlife squad. Hi there. It's Kambing. Goat. Meh. Looks happy. Doing whatever. Oh, there's more. Hi, bud. If you look down there, on the right hand side, there's another one. Looks like they got plenty of grass to eat here. Before Lonnie and I moved to our current house, we still lived in the same general neighborhood, just in a different location. and it was close to a ranch where they had a bunch of goats. During the day, they would just open the gate, and the goats would wander around all these empty fields eating. Sometimes you'd look out the window, there'd be this whole, group of goats wandering right down the yard, or right down the road, I should say, heading out to eat some grass. It was kind of cool. Something that happens once in a while while walking around. You see way in the distance, maybe you see them, there was a group of young boys, and they see me, and so they just come and start walking with you and asking questions, talking about basketball, wanting to know where I'm from, all that stuff. I didn't really want to film them because I don't know them. Their parents aren't out here walking with them, so but it's just kind of fun when people are just so curious about where you're from and why a foreigner's here. So, oh, another sign. Let's see. I do not know what that is. I will try to translate it and put it up there on the screen. All right. I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope that you found some sort of entertainment or information. Maybe you'll like, subscribe, comment, whatever. Hi. And we'll just, thank you. Thank you for your time.